Lifestyle expert Niki Anastasakis is at Good Life Fitness, exploring the amenities and expert support available to build an enjoyable fitness routine. Good morning.
Good morning. Happy New Year. I'm kicking off my new year here at Canada's Gym. January is always a busy time for gym goers, but what I'm noticing this year is a lot of people are finding their own unique approach way to fitness. Members here are trying out everything from boutique style studios and high-tech recovery rooms to simple classics like weightlifting.
Yeah, and you took a tour with a personal trainer. Tell us what you discovered this morning.
Yeah, so personal training is a really great way to refine your techniques, get professional certified advice from somebody who can actually create a personalized fitness routine for you, tailored to your goals, allowing you to see real results faster. These days, there is so much information online inundating us with what to do and how to do it, but these trainers will take any work out of it, make a plan for you so that you can build muscle and see results. The trainer, Christian, took me through the turf zone, the weight training room, where he helped me refine my skills and my technique, my form. And then we also went into what's called the group fitness class. Away from the gym floor. You can step into the studio, you forget you're in a gym. It looks more like a party when you're here, and the coach-led classes will take you through different stations in the gym, high energy for maximum results, and it's really motivating and will help you see results as well quicker and get your workout done without even realizing you're working out because it's so fun. And I do want to say that not every Good Life has these options for regimen, but they will have other fitness classes like yoga, dance, Pilates, you name it.
Very cool. And so you're done working out, but you're not finished. You ended in Good Life's recovery room. What kind of equipment is available there?
Yes, the recovery room is a great way to rest and relax your muscles after an intense workout. I particularly love the recovery rooms here at Good Life because they offer things like cryotherapy tools, human touch massage chairs, compression booths, massage guns and rollers, and it really will help stimulate the blood flow and support overall well-being after your workout. It reminds people that fitness isn't just about working really, really hard, but also about feeling good and resting your muscles after an intense workout.
That's true. The recovery is a very big part of it. Now, Niki, if we want to get signed up, how do we do that?
So you can visit goodlifefitness.com to access all of these features, learn more, and also visit a Good Life near you to ask the experts there if you have any questions. Here in Edmonton, they have 10 locations, and across Canada, there's over 200 Good Life locations. So visit their website, visit a fitness center near you, and get started on your 2026 goals. You know, Good Life can be your one-stop shop for all things wellness this year.
Perfect. I want to thank you so much for inspiring us this morning, Niki.
Thank you. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. For more lifestyle advice, you can follow Niki on Instagram at Niki Anna.